Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome back to another episode. Well, good morning, David. Thank you for being with us on The Ways We Move, the podcast that highlights innovative mobility solutions and the people behind it. David, tell us a little bit about yourself. Who is David?
Well, thank you, Nicholas. I'm David Gamble. I am a aerospace engineer by training, but over the last 30 years, I've been working as a mechanical structural engineer. Recently, become a chief engineer of a couple of different eVTOL companies, a regional hybrid engineering firm that I had just worked for as the head of design and integration. And I worked 20 plus years with Boeing. My background is for a personal perspective is I grew up in Texas. Fort Worth is my